might be late for the diving championships. They're today.
Did you say something, Mario?
Bye, Mom. I'm off to the diving championships. Wish me luck.
You don't need it.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to go get myself some coolant.
Diving championships?
No!
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Huh?
Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel!
Diesel, no, no.
Ami! Oh my gosh! Has!
Well, what's the matter?
It's Ami.
He's taking over the theater. He's putting on a show right now.
What? What do I do? Help! We'll be stuck here forever.
Do not panic! Do not panic! We are trained professionals! Now stay calm. We are going around the leaf.
Around the leaf? I don't think we can do that.
Oh, nonsense. This is nothing compared to the twig of 93. That's it. That's it. Good. You're doing great. There you go. There you go. Watch my eyes. Don't look away. And here's the line again.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Soil.
Good job, everybody.